Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Shankar. In this video, we are going to see about the multi-threading concept. This is aeroplane question. I just imported Java util random public class. I just gave the class name as aeroplane here, airplane here. Then private static atomic integer flight number. Flight number is equal to new atomic integer. So it's one from 0. Then private static volatile boolean runway available, because we just going to see the runway. Our motto is to see the runway clearance for the aeroplane to depart and take off. Then public static void main string args. Then for int is equal to for int I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, new thread. Then int number flight number is equal to then get and increment, while true if runway available. If not, it will show the false and just go here. Then try thread sleep, then new random. Next line, next int 3500 plus 1500. Then catch interrupted. Then exception E. Then system out print ln print. Then number is just printing number plus the new random. Then new next boolean. Then the plane has been landed. The plane has to cough. It just shows the both also, which are the planes just landed over the airport, then which are the planes just took off, then which are the plane that run runway. It will show everything that output by itself. By according to this concept, by according to this for loop, it will just makes the number by itself, then shows the available runway for that. And then which are the planes took off, landed like that, it will show everything. Then just breaks everything. We can just run the program. It will just automatically creates a number from the for loop here. We can just see that. Yeah, as I said, automatically just makes the number 0, the plane has took off, 8, the plane has landed, the 4, the plane has landed, in the 5, the plane has took off, 2, plane has took off, 3, plane has took off, 1 the plane has took off, 6, the plane has took off, see landed, then 9, the plane has landed, 7, the plane has landed. These are the runways. Yeah, and these are the plane took off and landed here. It will show just shows here. This is array number question. Then this we can see. I just imported the class Java system. Then I just gave the class name as sort here. Then private static final int max is equal to 4. Then private static class sort threads extends thread. Then sort thread integer array. Then integer start. Then integer stop. Super. Then this just arrow mark here. Then sort array start stop. Then this dot start. Then public static void threaded sort integer array. Then long time is equal to system dot current time mills. Final int is length is equal to array dot length. Boolean extract is equal to length percentage max is equal to 0. Int max length is equal to extract exact question mark. Then max by length. Then max of length minus 1. Then max lim is equal to max lim max question mark, then max lim. Final array list sort threads is equal to new array list for I in range. Just these are the for loop here, which are the for loop condition here. Then int beg is equal to I, int remain is equal to len minus 1. Then int is stop is equal to remain max lim I plus remain minus 1 I plus max lim minus 1. Final sort threads t is equal to new sort threads of array beg stop threads dot add t. For thread t is equal to for thread 3 threads try t dot join catch interrupted exception ignored. Then this is a for loop here. Int I is equal to 0, I less than length, I plus is equal to max lim. int mid is equal to I equal to 0, question mark of question mark 0, I minus 1, int remain is equal to len minus 1, int stop is equal to remain max lim, I plus remain minus 1, I plus max lim, I plus of max lim minus 1, merge of array 0 mid stop, time is equal to just checks for time here, calculation for time, system dot current time time is minus time, system out print time spent is equal to just shows the time here, and continues to show with ms here, minutes per second. Then public static void sort integer array in stop, if start is less than stop, int mid is equal to start plus stop mod 2, sort array start mid, then start array mid plus 1 stop, merge array start mid plus mid stop, then public static void merge integer, or then integer start integer mid integer stop, integer temp is equal to new integer of stop minus start plus 1, int I is equal to start, j is equal to mid plus 1, int k is equal to 0, while of I less than is equal to mid, and jump less than is equal to stop, if array of I array less than or equal to array of j, temp k temp array I is equal to array I plus is equal to 1, else temp of k is equal to array j plus is equal to 1, um, then k plus is equal to 1, while I less than or equal to mid, temp k is equal to array I plus is equal to 1, k is equal to k plus is equal to 1, while j greater than or equal to stop, then temp k array is equal to array j, then j plus is equal to 1, k plus is equal to 1, for I start k is equal to 0, I less than I less than is equal to stop, I plus plus I k plus plus, arrays array of I, then temp of is equal to temp of k, then public class is equal to array numbers. This is the public class for the array numbers. Then public static is equal to random rand is equal to new random, then public private static final int size is equal to rand dot next int the 100, then private static final integer list is equal to new integer of size, then static, then for int I is equal to 0, I less than is equal to I less than size, then I plus plus, then list I is equal to rand dot next int size plus size of minus 1, then size minus 1, public static void main string args, then system out println system out print of input is equal to, then this is the input will be giving here, this is the user input, then for integer each is equal to each list, then system out println each is equal to, then each plus, then it will show us calculate here, and it just prints here, then input length is equal to, then plus list length, then new line, then integer array copy of list length, then long t is equal to system current time is array sort array 1 a minus a comma b, then arrow up to a greater than b question mark, then 1, then a is equal to b question mark, then 0 minus 1, then system println time spends t is equal to, then it just shows the answer here, then integer 2, this is our integer array 2 is equal to array copy of list length, then t is equal to system current time is, then sort is equal sort, then array 2 comma 0 array 2 length minus 1, then t is equal to system dot current time is, then system out print ln, then time spent plus t, plus ms, then integer array, array of copy of, arrays copy of list length, then sort threaded sort array, then system out println, print output, then just go shows the output here for integer each array, system out println each, then system out println new line, then just close the brackets. For this, for this operation you might understand that the everything will be calculated here, everything will be calculated here, so nothing to give in the output, everything will be calculated by the program itself. So we can just run the program. Yeah, as I said, everything will be calculated, input also will be calculated from the program. Then input length 57, this is the 57 because 57 inputs are there here, 57 inputs are there, so input length is 57. Then time spent is equal to 6 ms, time spent 1 ms, time spent 15 ms. This is for three time spends, whichever we are giving here, three time spends we are using here. Yeah, integer array 2, array 1, like that we are using, right? Yeah, just calculating for 3 also time spends, then just shows the output here. Thank you guys.